Eraser rock stars.
Need a new eraser?
Then use an eraser rock star. They come in all different ones, girls and boys. Collect them all.
William. Shant. Lacey. Haley.
Siski business.
Based with Siski Biz.
Auntie Siska, I love you. William, your hips don't lie. Look at those hips. They don't lie.
Shake what your mama gave you.
Shant. Yes, that's how you pronounce his name.
His hair is not broken.
Okay. That's Lacey. I don't really know who she is, so we just use her name.
She's hardcore.
That's Haley. I like her hair, but she doesn't have it in this, obviously. Look it up, man. She's in Paramore. Siski Biz, what else is there to say?
Oh yeah, really. Okay.
Anyways, your
Erasers
eraser rock
can be
stars.
happy.
Yes.
Sad. Surprise! Mad.
Or just
plain
crazy.
psycho.
You can collect them all because they're just $36.78. An eraser.
Plus shipping, handling. Call 1-888.
555-5555. And text
now.
Be sure to, because they do many other things. Since this is an infomercial, we'll have to take a long time explaining them to you and bore you out of your minds. Yeah.
Let's not.